Every exercise has a modified option so everyone can follow along.
Isometric training, down, because I keep the knee up and down. So I'm keeping tension on the lower abdominal. And when I sit up, I work the upper abdominal. Really working those hip flexors, thigh muscles right there, shoulder, and balance. Jab, jab, block, block, 2 more, jab, jab, block, block.
With dynamic balance exercises to reduce falls, Curtis Adams, creator of the new senior exercise system, is empowering seniors around the world to feel younger, stronger, and more energetic. Curtis is changing the rules of senior fitness.